Welcome along to another edition of BalloonTube with myself, Graham Lee, and this is a little advert really, just to tell you a couple of things. I do run the balloon forum, which is balloonchat.co.uk. Over there's over 120 step-by-step tutorials if you'd like to have a look. We've got all the tutorials up on BalloonTube to have a look at. And if you are in the UK and would like to purchase some balloons, we do have an online shop, which is balloonartwholesale.co.uk. Hopefully that'll be coming up here, and hopefully Balloon Chat's come up as well for the details there. And if you would like to support us a little bit, that would be very much appreciated to keep the BalloonTube running, and also to keep Balloon Chat online as well. And so I've signed up to buy me a coffee /myballoonart. And there you can, if you wish, buy us a coffee or two, and it helps us to keep the tutorials going. So that's the end of the advert, and here we go with the main feature for this month. So it's bye from me, cheerio, here comes the main feature. Quick Graham, get out of it, bye. Welcome along to another edition of BalloonTube, and this week we're going to show you, and it's slightly different, we're going to show you the wolf. I forgot there for a second what it was. It's a wolf. The reason I forgot, I'm going to show you a couple of others actually, because this looks like a wolf, and normally when I'm making design I'll wait 6, 8, 10 weeks before I film it, because I'll make so many variations of it, but I've only come up with this one this week. So this is if you wanted to make it into a wolf. If you wanted to make it into a dog, you could have it just like this. Alright, so exactly the same. And that, I was meant to put white cheeks here, but while I was making it, I forgot to put black, which I thought, oh, that doesn't look too bad. And also I thought to myself, well, perhaps this black underneath here could be in white as well. So I'll have a go at another variation. So I put all those on balloonchat.co.uk, so if you want to have a look on there. And the other one we've made, this could be either a cat or a fox. I made the tail in 260 to make it a bit bigger as a fox. I also put paws on here, and if you look on balloonchat.co.uk, I've changed the muzzle a bit when I've made it into a cat to make it a little bit more like a cat. So you've got one design, and you could possibly get away with 4 different animals. So anyway, this is what we're going to attempt to show you. And you need 260, leave about 7 fingers uninflated. Alright, and squeeze the air along. You need a 4-finger bubble, and then a 4-finger fold twist. So squeeze the air, there you go, a 4-finger fold twist. So it ends up like this. Squeeze the air, make it a little bit softer. You want a 3-finger bubble, and a 1-finger pinch twist. So what you're going to do, you're going to twist this one here to this one here, and this bubble you're going to pull this way so there's less friction on it. And if I could ask you, there's a subscribe button somewhere, if you could hit that, that would be great, or if you could just tell a few friends about BalloonTube, very much appreciated. So make that into a pinch twist. You now need a 1.5-finger bubble, another 1-finger bubble, which is going to be the centre of the wolf's head. So again, this one goes to this one, just gently pull it away so it cuts down on the friction. Another 1.5-finger bubble, and another 1-finger pinch twist. Right, there we go. And this one will go around now. Another 3-finger bubble. That goes around the 4-finger fold twist. And then for the back of the head, you need 2 3-finger bubbles. Now, you need a 3-finger bubble there, which is going to go onto the middle pinch twist. And then you want another 3-finger bubble, which is going to go around the fold twist. And then you just need a pinch twist at the back of the head. So just a squeeze the air, 1.5-finger bubble, and this twist goes into the centre of the head section. Right, and it just gives you a pinch twist there. Right. It helps to hold the shape of that together. Get rid of this in your favourite method, and whatever you do, don't use your teeth, because I think that's terrible. I've never advised anyone to use their teeth. Right, here we go, just so you can see. Here we go. So I've got my scissors, I do use them sometimes. Right, so we end up with, let's get it roughly into the right position. So it ends up a bit like this. Alright, and I'm not quite sure. We're going to put the eyes in here, the ears are going to go up here, and we're going to tie the nose on here and push it up between the 4-finger fold twist. Alright, and you need, I haven't got, here we go, I haven't got the nose ready. So what you do a 1.5 finger bubble. Like I one really ready, wasn't it? 1.5 finger bubble. Tie that up. Don't do it too tight because you'll end up with a pinch twist looking shape. You want it to look a little bit rounder, don't you? Cut the excess off one side, and you're going to tie this around the 260. There you go. Tie it a couple of times, and then cut off that excess because you want it to be a little bit neater, don't you? And now we're going to push this bubble up through the 4-finger fold twist. So push it up there, and then I push it towards the front of this section. It goes towards the front, so it ends up looking like this. Alright. Now take your white, and you're not going to use all this, so you probably will get two. You can make 2 walls from the 260. So I've left about 6 fingers uninflated. So tie that around the centre. You need a 3-finger bubble up to the centre of the wolf's head pinch twist. Alright. Measure a 3-finger bubble, and that will go around that pinch twist. And then we want another 3-finger bubble, and that will go around the fold twist. Right, it goes around the fold twist and the pinch twist at the back here. Alright. Then for the cheeks of the wolf, there we go. Try and get the wolf eyes looking a little bit similar. Alright, squeeze the air, and then you just want a 3-finger fold twist. One 3-finger fold twist on that side. Squeeze the air, make it a little bit softer. A 3-finger fold twist on that side. Is that about right? Is that about right? Oh no, that was a little bit too big. We can have a little bit smaller. There we go. Right. And then that's all you need of this white balloon. So don't forget, don't bite it when you do. Right, so we should end that with pinch twist not quite sitting in the right position. There we go. So it ends up looking a little bit like this at the moment. You need your other 260. Right, and I've got about 4 or 5 fingers uninflated. It's probably 4 actually. Alright, and then tie the knot around that pinch twist section. You need a 2-finger bubble, and then you need another 2-finger bubble. So it's quite a big pinch twist, this one. Alright, so twist this one here around here, and oh, hang on, got an itch. Give it a scratch. So that's quite a big pinch twist because it's gonna the wolf is sort of laying down, you see, and his body is sort of curved, and that sits in the back there to give you that look. All right. So you need to do that a little bit bigger. I do a 4-finger bubble, and then another 4-finger bubble. That will go around the pinch twist. And then we need a 6-finger bubble. This is going to sit like that. And so squeeze the air out on a 6-finger bubble. 1.5 finger bubble for a pinch twist. I do a 6-finger bubble. I do it slightly more actually because it helps with the curve of the body. So if you do the front one as a 6-finger, the back one probably wants to be about a 6.5. It just wants to be a little bit bigger so that it helps with that the curve of the wolf laying down. And then this 260, I'll bring it to the end of this pinch twist here. All right, so that goes to there. And that will twist around there, because in a second we actually push that larger bubble underneath here, so it gives it the shape and the look. Alright, so that needs to be a little bit bigger. So what you do, you tie that onto there, and then we'll get rid of that in our favourite method. Right. So what we do is we pull these apart and push this bubble through. There we go. So it goes like that, and then he sits like this, you see, and I'm not quite sure, so he's slightly curved. Perhaps you can see a little bit better that way. All right, so that's because this is a 6-finger and this is a 6.5. Right, so that's that. Now we're going to do the 160 for his ears, and I've left about 3 fingers uninflated. Right. So we tie it around one of the pinch twists at the side, and then I do a 4-finger bubble. So that's a 4-finger bubble and a 2-finger bubble. The 2-finger bubble goes around the centre pinch twist, and then we do another 2-finger bubble and a 4-finger bubble, and another 2 and a 4, and that goes around the other pinch twist. Wrap that round a couple of times, and then what I do is I push the air to the end of this. I use this for the towel, you see, and now the towel you can have, I don't know, we go for about there, which is probably about a 10-finger bubble, but if you want a bigger towel, or if you want to use the end of the 260, there's enough there to put a 260 towel if you wanted. Alright, so you end up with that there. That will go around the pinch twist at the back. So wrap that around, and then tie that up, make sure it doesn't come undone. Give it a couple of ties just in case. Cut that off. Oh, and also I've not tidied up the 160 around here, so let's tie that up. Get my scissors, you see, I'm like a semi-professional today, aren't I? There we go. Right. And here's our, bend it down a little bit so this sits a bit nicer. And you can move the towel, it can just curve around like that, or if you want it to go up in the air, just give it a little shock twist there, and now it'll go up in there, you see, so you can change it around, and he sits there. Alright, and what we'll do, we'll just draw some eyes on as well. So we'll get my pen, and I also put some little dots just by the nose as well. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So I've got some little dots there. Hopefully you can see them. And then we'll draw some eyes on. And if you've seen any of my other tutorials, you know I'm really good at artwork. I've probably got a little bit better, but I'm still not. There we go. What's that? I think we're going to go with that. Let me just quickly show you what we've done. So it ends up looking a little bit like this, and I like to put the white head in. So white head in, and I'll put a couple of dots. I'm going to bring it a bit closer, but I'm not sure. It's a bit dark today when I'm filming, so I'm not sure if you're going to see it okay. Right, let's have a quick look. So, alright, so here's our wolf, and don't forget you can make it into a fox, cat or a dog, and if you look at BalloonChat.co.uk there'll be some variations over there. Alright, and let's just, there's no zooming in, I just have to walk forward with it, so and it gets a bit dark, doesn't it? So I'm not quite sure you can actually There you go. Hopefully you can see that. All right. So thanks for watching. I'll give it another 12 because I'm not sure if I did a lot. And there we go. So it's bye from the wolf and it's bye from me. Thanks a lot. Bye. Cheerio.